Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into using Azure Biceps. And we'll start with a quick demo. Last week we looked into the key benefits of why we are using Azure Biceps versus using an ARM templates. Let's get started. So in our previous demos with the ARM templates, we were creating storage account, and this is the Azure deploy JSON that we used to create. First and foremost, you need to install as Azure CLI, and then you have a Bicep CLI that you need to install. And then the third thing is Visual Studio Code. That should be good enough to get started with your Azure account. So once you have the Visual Code pulled up, you need to install this Azure Resource Manager ARM tools. That is one. And then also install this extension Bicep, which gives you the language, autocompletion, and a lot of other benefits. So quick and simple way I typically start with is to create a new text file and try to save this file. Give a name storage dot bicep, and then choose this to bicep file. Let's save. Simple as started. Go to your ARM template, copy this ARM template, go back here, and you can just paste it here, and here we go. So automatically it converts your ARM templates into Bicep because of using these two extensions. So right now we have everything, and it complains only one thing, saying that East US location is hard-coded. So it's asking us to create a new parameter. So you can see this, the location has been created, and then you're using that location variable here. Simple as that. So let's save this file. And the next one, to build this file, right click on this, and you can see this Control-Shift-B, which is our build for VS Code. So you're just saying like build, just like you can see the Bicep build is completed, and it created a storage.json. So you go back into storage.json. Here we go. The ARM template has been created. So it's as simple as that. You can just copy any ARM templates, and the easier way is like, even if you're having an existing resources in Azure, you can extract or export the ARM template and copy that ARM template, put it into this, and then it will convert into Bicep. Most of the time it's like 80 to 90% it's converted. And then the last final tweaks, like what we did right now, you could do that, and you will have the Bicep file. This is like as simple as getting started. See you next week with another episode. Thank you very much for watching.